We had a complete renovation of all the farm buildings. It was a derelict state. In fact, the cows were actually in the yard. This was actually the cow yard, and we had to take out 40,000 tonnes of concrete. So it was a big undertaking for a couple of years to get the house done, and then obviously we worked on the landscaping. My lawn was good in parts, but not in every aspect, and we are actually based on ragstone, and during the summer months it would suffer quite badly. So when I first contacted LawnsOne, I was a little bit concerned about how much a maintenance program would cost, and I was very pleasantly surprised. And compare it to running a motorbike or your car, etc. It is a small monthly cost, but the benefits that you see year on year through the seasons outweigh any cost, definitely. Working with LawnsOne is fantastic. Martin is always available on the phone or by email. He always comes back to me if I've ever got any concerns about the lawn. Heather in the office, she's fantastic. She's always available for me to talk through things with her. Actually, the most important thing that I was really impressed with LawnsOne is actually the team that actually maintain the lawns. They always come and talk to me, they always tell me what they're doing, and they always give me a sort of personal update on how my lawn is performing compared to other treatments they're doing on other customers' lawns at that stage of the year. We play croquet on the lawn now. It is fantastic during the summer, and you can see the improvements throughout the seasons of the treatments they do. I would definitely recommend LawnsOne. They've done a fantastic job since we first engaged them 4 to 5 years ago. The lawn has come on from an average lawn to a fantastic lawn.